Oh, hey guys, it's Christina. Here I am with Bentley and this amazing 80-degree hill. There's a great incline, and I thought that I can show you some more exercises to do with your dog so your dogs don't have to stay at home. They can actually be an added benefit to you in your workout and a safety precaution. So I'm going to let the cameraman show you how this 80-degree incline is going to look and feel. Super steep, which means I'm going to be working a lot of my thigh muscles and a lot of my buttocks muscles, and I'm going to be squatting so I can really work the thighs. Okay, so here I go, and Bentley's going to go with me. Let's go, Bentley. Come on. Hey guys, it's so steep. I'm coming back down. Hopefully me and Bentley don't roll forward. We're gonna do our best not to. Ready? Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. There you have it. Now, what's so great about this hill? You work muscles that you normally wouldn't work in a given day on a given workout in a gym. So, Bentley, come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good job. Thanks for the workout. Now remember, these dogs are great for love, mental health, and working out. Right, baby? Bye.